Hi guys, so today we are going to be doing sour challenge. So we're going to be able to switch, keep, and then we have to eat the candy. If you spit out the candy and you say, "Oh, that's sour," then you drink some of this. Or if you just drink some of your water, that means you're out. Or whatever these are called. Sprite. So let's get started. Whoa, they appeared right here. Okay, so these help us. This is what we're actually going to be putting the sour candy inside. Okay, so you can switch with another person. You can keep, and then if you're supposed to eat the candy. As I said, if you drink this, you lose. I just explained the rules.
Okay.
He's not listening. Okay, so let's get started.
I'm gonna win. What do you want to get? Blue, red, or red?
Boy, let's see. Okay. Let's see. It's my turn first. I choose to keep.
Keep.
No, I choose to keep. That means no one else. Okay. Keep, and keep. No, you're supposed to keep. Keep. 3, 2, 1. No! Yay! I got sour Skittles. Oh yeah, where's my juice?
Ready?
Guys, that's a jawbreaker.
I don't know how these gonna taste like, but they're gonna taste like. No fair. Can I have one? That's sweet. No. Yeah, we can't give each other things that keep. That's sweet. Eat the whole thing. It's sweet. Right? It's good. It's sweet. It's sweet. You got a sweet one. No fair. Okay, guys. So
I'm move on.
Again.
Let's go. I choose.
Keep.
Switch.
Switch. Yup. Switch. Okay, guys. So guys, I want to
3,
switch.
2, 1.
Okay, let's just go.
No. I could have kept it. I could have got 4 sour Skittles. I said Skittles. How weird.
Wow. So, sour. But I'll take it. Round number 3.
I'm number 1.
Okay, go. Keep.
I choose switch.
Keep. I'm not sure about all of them.
Okay, done. 3, 2, 1, open.
Yes, I got sour Skittles again. Because he shaked it. That's cheating. I did not shake it. No, it was Sam. Wait, do I gotta eat all 4? Yes, I did. You were wrong. Are you serious? I need to put the passcode. I gotta eat all 4. You gotta eat all 4. Well, Sam, you cheated.
I did not cheat.
Yes, you shaked it.
Well, at least you have to eat 3. That's a good thing.
4.
That's an even better thing.
Yeah, you would not want to take the blue, but you're going to eat it all at the same time. Yeah, but I'm not. I'm just like to suck on it. I like to eat it. Okay, I'm going to be testing it for them. Okay, guys. So I got one more to go. I'm testing. Don't worry, I'm testing. I'm going to eat them. Testing.
Now let me wipe this off so it won't get on any other candy. Oh yeah, guys, I'm adding a new rule. You can mix up the candy. That means you can have one candy like this, and then you can add...
I gotta put them all at the same
Where's
time.
that little squirt candy? You can add that to it.
Do I gotta put...
You can add the squirt candy to this and this.
Do I gotta put them all at the same time?
Yeah, all at the same time.
Okay.
Let's do this.
1, 2, 3,
Go. Go, go. You have to eat it. That's disgusting.
You can't eat it. If you don't eat it, you're disqualified. No, that's only if you drink.
No, if you don't eat it, you aren't disqualified. You don't get a point. So far, me and Sam got 3 points. Wait, is it round 3, guys? Comment down below.
It's round 3, guys.
Okay, guys, let's go to the next round.
Am I still eat this? You're liars. The password. Password.
Oh.
Guys, so I got blue, red.
I choose to keep.
Keep. 1, 2, 3, go. Guys, I only got
You have to
something.
eat the sour Skittles and that together.
Haha. Can I put these on my mouth? What, you just got sour Skittles? Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Call of Duty. Ew.
Okay, let's eat this.
Okay, ready? I'm doing it. Ready? That.
I'm not gonna lose this.
I think we're all 3 gonna win because sour's not even hot. We're all 3 gonna win.
Okay, guys. Moving on to the next round. Comment down below who won this challenge, and please put a thumbs up because that burns.
Well, next round. Bye. I had this ball out.
Yeah, you can.
Next round.
I like the juice.
He actually lost the tooth in the middle of the video.
I lost the tooth, guys.
Watch it. In the middle.
Oh.
Guys, in the middle of the
Here comes
video.
Google Clicker.
And good thing was because that was
Bye.
was that
We're not done.
sorry guys, sorry. We're gonna go to the second round. Okay.
Okay, guys.
Keep.
3. I choose keep. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Wait, guys. So, actually, we are not gonna do this. We are gonna do a 3-second like and subscribe challenge and notification bell. 3, 2, 1.
You
did
did
it. You did it. So, if you did it, you might win a prize. So,
1,
let's do this.
1, 2, 3.
Go!
Woo!
Are you serious?
Yes,
Yes, he got Takis.
How much I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. This is the last round, guys.
No, it isn't. This is the second to last round.
Oh.
Okay, guys.
Yeah. Can I eat one Taki? That's it. All of it?
Ah!
You have to, Oreo. That was a challenge. Guys, give a thumbs up to see who will win this challenge. Maybe me, maybe Sam, maybe Sam. Why did you have to give me 4? Why did you have to give me 5? Should have got 1. You know what you're getting, don't fit. Okay, guys, are these 4 in my mouth? 1. You know what? I can't do that. I can't do 3. The Takis. Can I do them? I'm not. I'm not doing it. I'm done.
No, you're supposed to drink. Yeah, I said about to leave. Okay, guys, so I made up the last rule. Whoever gets that sour one, the Takis, mixed with that, then they get disqualified.
I want this one.
Okay.
I want this one. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, boy! You get disqualified. I win. You still have to eat it, though. Wait.
Came out of the black hole.
Okay, guys, please comment down below for him because he is about to get burned.
I killed him.
Eat all of it at once.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
Do I have to?
Who cares? Do it for the views.
Okay. I'm gonna put it this like top like a hot dog. Go in. Hey guys, about to do it. In 3, 2, 1.
Uh,
Oh, that kills us straight away. Don't go in there, follow me. No, come back.
bye, guys. Nice.